Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, we show you on how to make an Instagram account a private account. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here. Having opened up your Instagram app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this three slider. Take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way to accounts, privacy. Click on that. Then what you want to do next is to simply click on here to enable private accounts. Then this is going to pop up. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and video. Then, so next thing you want to do is to simply click on switch to private, and your account is going to be automatically converted to a private account. So this is how to make an Instagram account a private account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.